This is how you know you got a flat tire on a trailer. You see how these things look pumped up like it's all good? Look at this. Oh boy. See? It's not even on the rims. It's falling off the damn rims. Both tires are punctured too. Like, what the hell? Look at
Sorry, I'm still not sure about that.
this. Damn. Hey guys, back with another video for you guys. So I got 2 flat tires here and I called the breakdown. So here he is, taking off these old ones to put new ones on. So he had me drive up on those boards so that he could be able to take off the tires much easier. So please like and subscribe for more videos and watch till the end. And don't forget to share. gotta pop. Oh no. He's filling it up. Oh boy. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Okay. That's loud. Filling up the tires and putting back on the air hoses.
Sometimes they call us, and sometimes they call them. So I'm not for sure why.
But if you guys are right there, thank you. That's the difference right there. See how this is sitting on the rims properly? Nice. Can't push it off. Nothing. Perfecto. That's that.